We'll also be talking to our James Myberg, who broke the whole story in a moment ago. But before we get there, let's talk about the stock market today.
Yeah, look, the stock market was very interesting. A really big number came out overseas this afternoon, and that was this US jobs data, jobless claims. And it was a lot better than expected. Now, the moment our market saw this, it actually started going up quite strongly. It was down, I think at one stage it was down about 1.7%. When I left the office and the market hadn't closed yet, it was basically break even, slightly positive. But when I look, when I had a look at what the US markets are doing, I mean, they're up 1.6, 1.7%. Very, very strong. So I think our market might have closed a bit early and missed out on all the other gains. So it ended up quite a good day on the market.
Yeah, just slightly better, 1/10%.
Yeah.
But gold miners came under pressure
Yes,
again.
they
I
did.
suppose on a Friday, though, things do quieten down.
They do quieten down, especially before a long weekend. You will find that. But generally, I mean, it was certainly a better close than where it was at midday today. Not much company news out on the market, but the market's still above 25,000. And this rally, whatever you like to call it, has certainly been very, very strong over the last few months.
We're going to hear from Walter Aylett a little later in the program, where we talk in the IT sector. But he was telling me how he celebrated today that Delta, a company that he's bought,
Yes.
brought out yet another dividend. It's jumped by 22%. And his thesis on all of this is, if you look around as a small investor, and he's a relatively small fund manager, there's some real diamonds.
No, there certainly are. I mean, there are still good companies out there. The one good thing about the South African corporate is, generally speaking, very flush, full of cash. Now, if we are going into some sort of economic revival and sales start to pick up and things look a bit better sometime next year, those cash balances will just go up, and there'll be further quite big dividend payouts at some stage.
Well, you're not the only one who knows that South African corporates are full of cash. And how full of cash are they really? We'll find out in a little while, because